Most ESP32 weather displays look like generic science fair projects with ugly text boxes and flat black backgrounds. So I decided to fix that. This is weather intelligence running on a $5 Beetle ESP32-C6. It features Apple Watch style UI, real-time weather vector rendering, zero flicker particle physics, and a Smoothstep scene engine. Let me show you how it works. At the center of this project is the DFRobot Beetle ESP32-C6. It packs a 32-bit RISC-V core running at 160 MHz, Wi-Fi 6, and native USB. To display our UI, we are using a 1.5-inch ST7789 IPS LCD display with a 240 by 240 pixel resolution and 16-bit color depth. We also use TTP223 capacitive touch sensor module on pin 6 for screen navigation. That means we get full interactive control without adding any extra buttons or wiring clutter. Wiring this display up is straight to the point. We use standard SPI communication. SPI clock connects to GPIO 21 and Moji goes to GPIO 22. Data command goes to GPIO 19, reset to GPIO 20, and backlight control to GPIO 15. The backlight is driven by hardware PWM at 44 kHz for flicker-free brightness dimming. Finally, connect VCC to 3.3 volts and ground to ground. Because the ESP32-C6 handles hardware DMA over SPI, we can push frames at 20 MHz without lagging the main processor. To keep prototyping clean and easy, we place the Beetle ESP32-C6 and the ST7789 display onto a mini breadboard, linking them with short jumper wires. Breadboarding keeps our setup fully modular. This allows us to quickly test SPI signal paths, verify pinouts, and troubleshoot connections before committing to any soldering. Now we plug in the USB-C cable. On power up, the system initializes Wi-Fi 6, fetches time via NTP, and connects directly to the OpenMeteor REST API. And just like that, live weather data is running. Most weather stations just give you raw data, boring numbers, static boxes, zero context. Meet Weather Intelligence, a complete, modern weather station built for microcontrollers. Built on the ESP32, coded in Platform.io C++, and powered by a high-performance double-buffered graphics engine. Zero spaghetti code, featuring a 100% modular architecture with everything centralized in a single configuration file. Real-time environmental metrics are dynamically processed to calculate actionable intelligence, not just raw numbers. Like personalized activity recommendations tailored directly to current weather conditions. Featuring context-aware visuals, smooth gradient backgrounds, and real-time particle animations. Instant visual updates for air quality index and wind vectors. And an integrated night mode. Sleep-friendly, pitch black, and designed to preserve night vision. Build it yourself today. Full open source code is available now on dhkdude.com. Now let's see weather intelligence in action. Here is the primary home screen. Notice the giant hero temperature, floating vector condition icon, poetic mood caption, and clean borderless footer layout. Pressing the touch sensor brings up the forecast timeline screen. It displays a vertical weather journey connecting morning, afternoon, evening, and night node points with live local forecasts. Another touch opens the activities screen. The system evaluates temperature, wind, and rain probabilities to generate suitability ratings for walking, cycling, and photography. One more touch activates ambient mode, transforming the display into a minimal desk clock running at 8 frames per second to save power. Finally, long touching the sensor triggers demo mode. cycling through all 7 weather atmospheres with dynamic particle effects. The complete Platform.io code, vector rendering engine, and schematic pinouts are available on the vault at our dhkdude.com website. Links are in the description below. If you found this project helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more embedded engineering builds. Till then, I am DHK Dude, signing off.